Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting power and attention. Charge the Marshall to at least 20% so the radio and firmware behave predictably. Once charged, press and hold the power button until the LED begins flashing. This puts the unit into pairing mode. Make sure your phone or source is awake, and in Bluetooth settings, you must remain on that screen because some devices time out. The reason is simple. Pairing requires both devices to advertise and listen simultaneously, so don't switch apps yet. You now perform the pairing sequence step by step. On your phone, scan the list and tap the Marshall model name. This initiates a secure handshake. If a code appears, confirm it because devices verify identity to avoid wrong connections. Once paired, the Marshall will either show a steady LED or play a confirmation tone. This is the cue that the Bluetooth link established correctly. Make sure to wait for that cue before moving on. Premature closing of settings can interrupt the process. You finish by verifying the connection. Play a short track at low volume to confirm left/right and mic behavior, then increase to a safe listening level. If you hear nothing, make sure the phone's output is set to the Marshall device. If still silent, toggle Bluetooth off and on and reselect the headphones. If problems persist, perform a factory reset, power off. Then hold the power button for 10 seconds or more. Because cached pairing data can block fresh connections, and a reset clears that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.